Hey guys, what's up? My name is Andrew. I am the owner of NexGen IT Solutions. We are in the process of becoming a company that will be doing managed IT services in or around different states. Specifically, right now we're targeting Michigan, Tennessee, Kentucky, because we're moving down to Tennessee to start this business. Is where our physical business will be held. But I'm from Michigan, so I'll be doing Michigan clients and having a tech or two up here at some point in the future. But this is a channel trailer of sorts. This channel will be a hub for just projects and just fun stuff that we're doing. If I'm going to be doing like time lapses for server room cleanups, or if we're doing any sort of ubiquity installation for an on-site cleanups, anything like that, and just fun stuff with servers, which I'm about to create some videos on right now. This is my workshop, well, other than the paper towel and the headset, which is in my gaming rig, which you guys might have seen in my other channel. I'm also the owner of Thunderbolt Interactive, an indie game studio, who's working on an open world RPG game. I'll leave that YouTube channel link in the description below. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoy going on this journey with me. This is going to be considered the before times, which will be its own separate playlist, which is essentially going to be a series of videos of me setting up company infrastructure and stuff like that. So a little bit about myself. My name is Andrew. I am currently 21 years old as of filming this in March of 2024. And I've been wanting to start an MSP for years. I currently work at an MSP, and it's going to be probably 2 to 3 years before we even move down south. So at that point, it's going to be a while before I start seeing clients, but I didn't think it was going to be too early for me to start working on infrastructure, gathering knowledge, figuring out how things work, and getting started here. So some of the stuff I have, and just to show that I kind of know what I'm doing right now, I have a two server racks. So I have a server type rack with a reply cluster, and then all of my networking equipment on top here. Not the best cable management wise right now, as I'm still working on it, and I'm still missing a PoE switch and a patch panel for those two racks mounts right there. So everything's kind of waiting for those before I tighten everything up. And then I don't have any cable raceways through the wall or anything. So it's kind of just hanging, and then I still gotta do a bunch of stuff since I just ran that cable to get to my work machine. But yeah, so this is just a channel trailer. I'm gonna be doing a little bit doing a deep dive about me video, and then I'm also gonna be doing a deep dive company structure video. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this little channel trailer, and we'll see you guys in another video.